Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adegoke Mary. In this channel, I create the content on how to make money online freelancing, and I give you tips and tricks for using social media. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a promotion video for your business. How to create a promotion video for your business. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and try to comment so that I will create the content on something like this. So let's dive into this.
Show you animation video I'm talking about. Yes, how to create this video for your business. As you can see, how to create this kind of video for your business. So let's dive into today's video. The app you are going to use is what we call Benimi. This is app right there. This app Benimi. You are going to download it on Play Store. I don't know, maybe they have App Store version, but if you are using Android phone, that's the only way you can download it on Play Store. So let's go to Benimi. So the first thing you are going to see here is because I have done a lot of video, that's why we see all this project. If it's a new, you just download the app. You just have to see it like this, and you see this button, this plus button. Just click on this plus button, then name your movie. Let's say can name it any name. Just make sure that the name you can just remember. Make sure that your canvas size under YouTube, make sure that canvas size is under it, because we have many size here. We have female, we have TikTok, we have Instagram. So I'm going to use YouTube 1080 pixel, as you can see here. So I'll click on this one, then create movie. So this is how we are going to see it. So the first thing we are going to, if you want to start from test, just click on this test. Hi. So you can start from here. This is where you can change your fonts. This is where you can change the font of your text. As you can see, this thing has changed. As you can see, this is where you can change your font, and this one you can change the color of your text. So you can change it to red, you can change it to any color you want. Just make sure that color is okay. So let's use this one first. You can decide to move it up, and you can decide to leave it there. So the next thing we are going to do is click on this one, the sticker. I want to use sticker for it. All this one is free. This one can decide to upload a add image, something like this. So you can decide to show it here. But this one is not look professional. I say, hi, welcome to Innocent Web Technology. Do something that is not okay. If you want to delete this one, can delete it from here, or click on this one again, on this sticker again. Let's look for images. We can use this. All this one is free. You can use all this one. All this one is free. All this one, as you can see here, is free. You can use it. So people, all this one is pro. It's not for free. All this one is not for free. All this one is not for free. All this one is not for free. And this one too. This one too. All this one now is free, as you can see. This one too is free. So I say hi. All this one too is free. From this Lotte arts, this is very free, and from these shapes, all these one are free, as you can see. So let's look for anything that's rhyme to this. Hi, welcome to news. Okay, let's see this one, welcome. So can decide to increase the size, can decide to reduce it. So let's put it anywhere here, and so let's add another scene. This is first scene, so let's add another here. can talk more about our product here. So you can see, then click on this insert. So just be creative. All this thing is very simple. You can try to choose it to black or any color. So I love it here. I love it like this. I can decide to change the font again. As you can see, this font has changed. So you can decide to increase the size and reduce the size also. So you can see, so I decide to change the size or leave it like that. So let's continue. So you want to choose, you can decide to choose or add image. Maybe you want to add the image of our product or service. So we can decide to add image here. Let's just be creative. I don't have many images, that's why I just use anyone. So we can decide to change it and leave it here. Or you don't want to use that one, you can decide to choose something like this, maybe sticker. Let's look at sticker we can use here. So we can decide to choose, since it's online work, so I can decide to choose something like this or like this, as you can see. So let me just choose anyone and I can delete this for now. As you can see, just ensure that it's there. You understand? So then click on this one. You want to add another scene, can continue to add another scene, many scene as you want. So this is third scene, this is first, this is second scene, this is third scene. So then click on the insert. So you can decide to change this, the color. So you can decide to change the color of this one. Let me use black or pink. And this background too, you can decide to change the background. This background, as you can see, this one is why this is where you can change the background. You can decide to even use image or download any background color. So let's just use color. You can decide to change it to black or to pink or to yellow. Or to, just make sure that your work is look perfectly okay. So don't just use any color for it. Just make sure that it's okay. So you can decide to change it. As you can see, when you use red, you don't see what we write again. So we can decide to change any color from here, as you can see here. So let me just choose black, then okay. And this black self no okay. So let's change another color. Let's see. It's too flashy. Let's change it. This one is okay. It's okay. So you can decide to click on this sticker again. Then you can decide to choose image or anything from that sticker. So I can round up here and say, you can decide to change the background color again and use black or white. This one is then okay. So let's add our text again. So let's just be creative and just leave it like this. And so this is it. And this color is not okay. Let's look for another color. Yes, this one is okay. So let's leave it this way. That is okay like this. So then can decide to add sticker or leave it this way. So can decide to import any images that like that, or we can leave it this way. So just make sure that your work is perfect. So as you can see, then click on this one. You can decide to add another scene or leave it like this. If you want to add your music, just click on this one. You want to delete it, just click on this thing, then click on this delete. So you want to add your music, click on this music track. This is where you can add the music. So and you don't want to add your music and use voiceover. You can use voiceover to do it. Just leave it this way then. Play it again to see. As you can see, this is how it's going to look like. So this is how it's going to look like. So you can decide to change that hand here. You can decide to use this one or anyone that you like, that know that will be okay. You can decide to use any hand. As you can see, this one. As you can see. You can see. So if you want to import your this is where you will now click on this one. Click on this share button. Click on this one to import your work. Name your movie. So make movie. Allow it to render. Then this is how we are going to do it. It will take a little time. Just make sure that you leave your time to do it. So now, okay now. Alright, so our video is now. Well, thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, you can put your question in the comment section. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share this video. You like this video, so that I'll make another video about how to create a promotional video like this. Thanks for watching this video.